Derrick, Jaxn, relationship advisor, counselor, all of them. Anyhow, una they use column. In matter just reach now. Hey, una no go believe am. Okay, I no say maybe some of una no know am. Anyway, una dey hear black men don't cheat. Black men na im motto be that. Yes, na the same person I dey talk about. In matter just land, my people. After all the advice. After he disturb us, in fact, if una hear advice, hey, if this guy dey advice for relationship, in fact, you never cheat oh, but go come dey do you like say, hey, you don cheat. You go start dey cheat for your mind. Guilty conscience go worry you. After the advice wey this one disturb our ears with, na people finally, hey, Olympus has fallen. He has gone to eat the forbidden fruit. In fact, he cheat. He cheat. After cheating now, when he don't satisfy himself, he don't come outside now. They apologize to his wife. I'm sorry. I beg. For una wey never hear am. All of una wey na your mentor, papa, all of them. I don't bring a corner aside. So I beg, make we watch una mentor.
But the truth is, and I'm saying it here now, is that Derrick Jaxn was involved with other women outside the marriage. And by involved, I want to be clear. I'm not talking about just casually kicking it, maybe a lunch or something like that. I'm talking about as serious as sex, to sexual flirtation and meeting up and that kind of thing. And some things that otherwise may be considered okay by some in terms of like just chatting or checking on people or being checked on by people that I've had a previous encounter with. But without my wife's knowledge of it and with us having a sexual history, all of it falls under the umbrella of inappropriate, cheating, affair, stepping out. Definitely not in alignment with the vows that I took. And definitely not in alignment with the biblical standard of what it means to be faithful, which is the standard that I'm going by now.
Nonsense. We are talking the rubbish of the nonsense inside. In fact, I not just understand. See the way even they talk, say, you don't look like a person way even they sorry. You know, say, you get how people go apologize. Like, they go, they remorseful, they go humble themselves. This one see they broad in chest. I don't know whether they go gym. I don't even understand the body see. Brother, humble yourself. Squeeze it inside. So that it will show that you are really sorry. I want counselors, advising committee, relationship mentors, all of them. And so, behind the scene, now them even they do worse. This one now, my people, after I don't hear them, after I don't watch them, I don't calculate them. Now, just one conclusion. Last, if we say, make we sit down, they look for Mr. Right, Mr. Perfect, who will not cheat. Now, if we say many people go there single, in fact, no, are they very serious? No, who you want point now? Say, you go to say, okay, this one, no. They know they write am for face, so. Hey, in fact, now the one say where they talk more plenty about this whole thing, now them. Hey, check them. Behind this thing, the curtains, they get bed and things. My people, the reason why they talk this thing now. Now one lady, this one don't come. In fact, no, una go after una watch and una go understand what they talk about. Now she don't come outside. Because see, people don't tire to the wait. Girls they vex. They don't tire. Say, how go deal with this one? You go invest all your emotion, your money, your feelings, your time. You go invest and finish before you know, and the guy don't go with another person. So this girl now, be like saying she don't too wait for Mr. Right. Mr. Right, no, they come. Mungwanu, she say, nah, her lifestyle be this. Me, I know what talk about. I won't make una hear and see her with una own eye. So I beg, make we, which title I go even give her? I beg, when you watch and you give her title by yourself, make we watch Mrs. Slay Queen.
Anybody where they watch me as I talk to you, so as they watch this video, so come fuck. Married men no live with a wife, mona come fuck. Now sweet toto, it is sweet like honey. Any boy, any guy where they watch this video, so far say you get prick, you are invited, come and fuck, now free. I know they collect money, now bonanza, now they give them. Because it's all red, so now bonanza just they give them. My number is 08022345567. And my number be that. Wanna call me, you don't red. I make they involve the gods, make them come. And I want blow this thing so the gods of our land and they involve now. Wanna come. Wanna come. You don't red. Abeg, ma I cry come outside, wanna help me. I want fuck. That go take, leave your wife, leave your family. When you come fuck, na free toto. I know they collect money, na free. As they watch this video, so come fuck.
Hey. Hey, wait, first make I stop it. When I hear, hey, I want to, hey, free. Also, not free. Oh, he say not free for now to see. Say, in fact, this one, no, now go agree with me now. Maybe they don't too breaking heart. So now you don't decide. Say, now like this, I could just do it free of charge for that matter. Omo, girls no dey smile oh. Girls no dey smile, my people. This one, the one wey even shock me sef. He dey put the drink, dey spit am out. Spit am. I no go understand. Maybe she dey invite the gods so that the gods too go join do. No, my people, this matter dey very serious because person even tell me. He say, Madam Aproko, see as you see me like this. This 2021, I'm not ready for any stress. I no want the one way person go come, they call me, they shout on my head. Why did you go to bed without telling me good night? Why this one? He say you not ready for that one. Say as he be now, how this issue be say, we have fun, and then you take care of me. No strings attached, no this thing. I waiting this girl open my talk, I shock. But now I dey understand where they come from. This guy get my nose. There's no people forget like this video. The thing just dey replay for my head. Replay. Wahala be like Bobrisky oh Chineke. Abeg my people. Now the matter be this oh, because now many girls don't make up their mind, and I want to know whether una follow for people wey make this kind of mind. So that's just you need drop am for that comment section. Make I know wetin dey una mind. Very very important. Una follow for this league. Abi una still dey the waiting for Mr. Perfect, waiting for Mr. Right. Which one? Just drop am for that comment section, and I go reply now one by one as usual. Share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen, and don't forget to subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.